Struggling for fresh ideas? Welcome to Daily Skills AI, your daily source for smarter learning. Today, we unlock the secrets behind generating endless YouTube video ideas using powerful AI tools that spark creativity and drive success. In this step-by-step tutorial, you'll explore how ChatGPT becomes your brainstorming partner. Simply ask, "Give me 10 trending YouTube video ideas in my niche," and watch as it produces a treasure trove of inspiration. Imagine your creative barriers melting away, replaced with innovative prompts designed to fuel your channel's growth. Next, take these ideas and refine them using tools like Answer the Public. Dive into intuitive keyword research that visualizes the questions your audience is asking. With vidIQ at your side, analyze search trends, competitor insights, and optimization tips that transform raw ideas into a viral masterpiece. Now, merge these AI-generated suggestions with your unique perspective. Sketch out your video board and jot down notes that breathe life into every concept. Each idea evolves into a story waiting to be told, breaking the mold of ordinary content and capturing the attention of your viewers. By embracing these AI tools, you overcome the creative block that once held you back. Every prompt, every keyword, and every insight propels you closer to content that is not only engaging, but also exceptionally original. Your journey to innovative, impactful creations is just a prompt away. With Daily Skills AI, you hold the key to endless creative possibilities. Embrace the power of intelligent tools and let your imagination soar. Subscribe now and keep learning something new every day. Your creativity blossoms when AI and passion unite, inspiring endless possibilities.